Mr. Surajodeen has forcibly turned into a nursing father, as he was left with 3 children, including this small baby, who is 1.5 years. He was said to have traveled when the incident happened.
I was in Kaduna when the incident happened. So I couldn't come that particular time. Before I get to town on Friday, it was around 12.
According to him, his wife called him when the abductors were trying to break into his house.
She told me that I'm about entering the house. And I told her that she is a patient. Let me call the security agent. So I come and help her. She's the only one at home. So when I called the security agent that are closer by here, they try to mobilize themselves and come down to the house.
He said in a conversations with the abductors, they demanded huge amount of money for her ransom.
Formerly, they demanded 50 million naira. Okay. Well, we have been bargaining now. They are on 45. They've come down to 40 today. In fact, as it is like this, I've put my bike on sale. My car is on sale. Even this house, as you are seeing, it's even on market too. I know even though we sold everything, it will not amount to that amount of money. But if we can sell it, anything we're able to generate, we plead with them if they can be able to rescue her life. She was even telling me that she want to talk to me, last word with me, because they've threatened to kill her. That since I did not provide that money, they threatened to kill her. That if I cannot provide that money, they will kill her. Even though the last information, the last discussion we discussed with her today is that if she slept there today, then I should just forget about her.
The victim's husband is praying for the security agent to intensify effort at rescuing his wife alive. It could be recalled that on 17 September, suspected kidnappers stormed Birshi Fulani and abducted a pregnant woman that led to a heavy protest in the area.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.